Hello, we'll be looking at evergreen micro niches which can be monetized in multiple ways. And this one is for the kitchen. And you can use Amazon affiliates, you can use ClickBank products, you can also get direct sales through, say, drop shipping. So there are multiple ways you can earn income, also AdSense. Okay. uh, Whether it's through Google AdSense, Mediavine, Ezoic, whatever. And also, what I will be doing is that I'm showing you different ways people are using this particular niche. So, first of all, see, suppose we are looking at this website. So, what this person is doing is that they are posting vegan recipes, and then they recommend products, they recommend accessories, they recommend ebooks. Okay, that is one way. You post recipes, you recommend stuff. Now the other way, let's see, on Instagram, somebody is just sharing pictures of different kitchen galleries, and how to use different products, how to organize different kitchen accessories. So that is one way of one another way. So basically what you do is you either share pictures, or you uh, uh, repost somebody else's pictures, and basically have a link here which will go to your website, your chat service. Another way is that you have something called as a unique kitchen products. You showcase different products for the kitchen and put up Instagram reels, and basically this is going to a website where they are selling the products, or it is their affiliate website. So that is one way. Another way is that again they are reposting different kitchen decor solutions. See, this has 10,000 views, this particular reel, and it's a solution for dead corner spaces. Okay, when you just check out different Instagram profiles, and you see which one is getting them very good sales, and then you can use the same to get some sales for yourself, some ideas for yourself. So the other one is, I like to go to Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest, you go and you type in kitchen, and when you start typing in kitchen, you will get different ideas, right? So you have on the left, it starts with the kitchens ideas, then it is the accessories, then you have cabinets, then you have the remodeling design, modern farmhouses, and you get different ideas from here. Check different profiles, see what are they posting. So when you select, say, kitchen ideas, then you get different topics. Now these are some things you can talk about and write about, and you get ideas for how they are monetizing it, how are they making money. So like small reach in closets, tips to organize your kitchen cabinets. So these seem to be doing really good. 7 kitchen trends. uh, so you get so many ideas. You look up profiles, and once you look up profiles, you look up what boards do they have, so and what pins are they having. So here, how to use the tape method for decluttering. Come up with such ideas, and what you will be doing is that you will be linking out to affiliate products like this, maybe this cutlery holder, maybe to cutlery, maybe to different tapes, organizers, what say it. Similarly, there are many such profiles. You can go into their saved section and go to their boards and see how have they set up their boards. So they have a kitchen ideas board. Then if I scroll down, they have a tabletop styling, styling their tabletops. Now so many things you can have, like uh, uh, napkin holders to candles to, you can recommend so many things if this is linked out to your website. So I have a Pinterest course linked in the description, check it out. Okay, you can easily get rankings, and also get a lot of traffic using these pins, because pins will really work well. So basically what we are doing is we are going through different things and we are getting ideas. So like here, this is they have a kitchen board and it has around 13,000 pins, and it has this account has 314,000 followers. So, and you can then see that what are they doing. They are having new lighting and fan ideas, home remodeling, kitchen remodeling ideas, kitchen decor trends, kitchen organization ideas, kitchen accessories, kitchen food saving plans. So meal plans, if you have a meal plan, you can have something to go along with, which containers to use. So you will get different you can, I mean, by now you must have gotten so many ideas for this particular system. And what you can do is that you can send these people to your website, or you can set up automation. And this automation, you can set up for free. I have linked the automation software below, so check it out down in the description. It's free. You set up this automation, you send people through your funnel, and then in the funnel maybe you will be saying that you will give 7 kitchen organization tips, and they want, and you can, this has a way to drip feed these things. And you can drip feed the content out, means send it at a delay of say 1 day, 2 day, whatever you want to do. And in that you can recommend products, you can recommend Amazon. You can never embed Amazon affiliate links in an email. Okay, so you have to send them to your website, and from the website they can go and check the product. But you can recommend ClickBank products like ClickBank ebooks. You can recommend some other, suppose there is some other affiliate program which allows you to send affiliate links through the email. You can use that. I usually send them to watch a video, and so it will and through the video I can recommend products. So you can use different systems, so check it out, it's in the description. Now for the keywords, okay, I'm working on the keyword lists here. I have set up a page for that, which will be linked in below this video. You will be able to check different things. What I did is that I compared different websites and I got some easy to rank for topics. Okay, now see, there is multiple ways you can do. You can make one site, like this site is all about waffle makers. It's everything about waffle makers. So you can have just a site about waffle makers, how to do this, how to use this waffle maker, this waffle maker versus that waffle maker, how to clean it, how to install it if installation is required, things like that. Another way is to go a little broad, like this guy has done. So he has, can you make waffles without oil, how to clean it, and he also talks about different things like how to season a cast iron waffle iron and other cookware. And while waffle seems to be the central theme, he has other topics as well. So you can go that route, or you can go the multi-niche type of route. Okay, there is the dishes, they are talking about the knives, they're talking about the KitchenAid accessories, then dishwash liquids which you can use, Drainix which you can use in the kitchen, Vitamix, blenders. So different things. So I tend to go into sites which are like this, so that I have a scope. Tomorrow I get bored in a certain niche, I can diversify. So I would go for something like this, where I would have the option to go into multiple categories, and in these I can talk about so many things like ready-made, like so the non-stick, he's talking about the toxicology of non-stick, the different types of cookwares, and is this worth it, this versus that. See these, so standalone reviews plus comparison reviews. So Google has a product review update, so they are recommending that you actually own the product, show the product and write a review for you to get better rankings, and also to not to kind of lose your rankings or not be ranked. So and so these comparisons which I have pulled up, I will be sharing on the website. Go check it out. So basically there are different, I have pulled out stuff which is easy to rank for, and you can then decide that do you want to write on this, and then you can find questions people are asking about this. So suppose it is the quesadilla maker, so maybe they want to know how to use the quesadilla maker, different types of quesadilla makers, electric versus maybe non-electric ones, uh, this brand versus that brand, how to clean it, how to store it, etc., etc. And the other ones are like different how to make you can have a mix of things. Like if you look here, it says how to make waffles. Okay, so things like how to make something, how to use something. So I'll post all this, just check it out. Check the Pinterest course, because I think Pinterest will be a great way to send traffic to your niche, uh, to your website, and drive traffic and drive conversions. Also try to see if you can work with Instagram. So basically what I do is that I will put it on Instagram, cross post to Facebook, or put it on Facebook, cross post to Instagram. You have that option, link both of them, and then I pin it, because already I have the image, right? It's pretty easy, and I don't really spend too much time on figuring out how to do this, how to some people have this schedule going on, like I'll have 3 pins today and 10 pins tomorrow and 50. I don't try to do that. What As soon as I make a post, I try to pin it, I try to add it to Facebook. So there are strategies if you add it to Facebook to make it rank in Google. So try to figure that out. I'm not going to reveal that strategy here, but I'm going to give you the keywords. So go check the keywords and see which one is helpful for you. And do check the automation, the software which will help you send out automated emails. Okay, that will help a lot. It will help you, and this is totally free, so why not use it? And also I have linked out to a content creator. You get 10,000 words. Many of the people I have recommended this to have signed up for that. So you get 10,000 words free, and it is written by an AI. Check it out, see if you like it. It's free, you don't have to pay anything to check it out. And also I will link some ClickBank products, so you can see if you're talking about waffle maker, nobody is stopping you to say promote some healthy diet recipes, some keto recipes, some there are now it's trending, the coffee for weight loss is trending. So I will link those products in the description or on the website, mostly on the website, because I have 3 to 5 products. Check those products out, and maybe you can link out yourself through ClickBank. So to have a third revenue, so one revenue would be linking out to Amazon, making sales through that. Another revenue would be you will just go to say ClickBank and find the products, figure out the products which I am talking about, and sign up with ClickBank and share those products. Another would be AdSense, either Google AdSense or the ads which Mediavine or Ezoic is putting for you, or any other ad network. So try to have multiple income streams going on. And another thing I forgot to tell is that if you're going to do Amazon, so in the Amazon affiliate marketing, there is a place you can put your website there. Okay, when you put the website there, it is kind of telling Amazon that this is my site. I'll be sharing the stuff here, the links here, and your site, your Amazon account won't get banned or anything like that. So do that as well. I'll be sharing more ideas on this channel, so keep checking.